be making fart noises like this in public lobbies until they say shut up or something like that. And at the end close to the end of the video is crazy.
Well,
and also
not
sure
really crazy.
Too. And let's get into the video. Yo, what the? Okay.
Ready? No, we're gonna go all the way to your mom. I didn't even say go! They want to fund me and make a video later. I didn't even say go, bro. Okay, ready? 3, 1, 2, 1, go.
I don't speak fart language. I also speak American. I'm also recording a YouTube video too of making fart noises in public lobbies.
Do you have Dustin App? Is there like Dustin App?
And my channel is Dustin Adams. If you're sub to it, you're in.
Turn up my volume.
Yeah, turn up your volume and make it loud and say. Let's all do this too.
Hey, it's on max. Dude, I'm on Steam right now.
You're on Steam, bro? I have Steam VR, it's not. My Gorilla Tag on Steam is just not working somehow. I mean, I kind of need a new RAM. I think I need a new RAM on my computer. I don't know. Bro, stop moaning! Yeah, I'm out of the server. The server's weird. PPV, come get me! PPV, come get me! Nah, bro. PPV was coming. PPV was scaring me.
Okay. The players that win. Follow me.
Guys, thought I was gonna end the video. Nah! My arm was tweaking. Yeah, you guys thought I was gonna end the video. But we're gonna do more. Yeah, let's just go. My game, I got kicked out of Gorilla Tag, so that's why, you know what? That's why I said I got kicked.
I put my controller on the Hey bro, whoever wants to watch the 1v1, y'all can join. Okay, what? We can do a 2v2. I want to be.
I thought people would be in there. My bad, gang. I'm so bad.
Real fast.
I'm making a video too, bro. I'm making a video of making fart noises in public.
Hey guys, today I'm showing little kids to
Make sure sub to my channel and his channel too. I'm making.
Yeah, who wants to apply for
You're Fleshy GT.
FNAF movie? You figured out that early.
Yeah, it's Fleshy GT, guys. It's Fleshy GT. Yeah, it's Fleshy GT, the guy that that's.
I'm lagging. Y'all are Everyone, come to the computer for minigames. The code is 2363 for minigames. There's 4 people in there. Why am I lagging? What is 2363? What's 2363? Yeah, the code is 2363. So bad. Everyone join the code 2363. I am lagging. Wow, join the code 23 for minigames. Join the code 2363, then enter, okay? Everyone, 23. Fake logos! Get over here. I don't think I'm Will Byers haircut? What code do you want to join? Wait, I got stuck. Oh, you can't run. Is bro farting? Because I just did it right now.
No, I'm making a video of farting and using fart language. So you can try to speak my language and I can communicate.
Yeah, hit that.
I said, bro, you cool too. I said, bro, you cool too.
Yeah. Okay, good thing my lag's not going on.
I said, bro, you cool too.
Dang it, my friend isn't online. No, it's purple.
No habla English.
I'll rephrase
No
him with
habla
Doug.
English.
My friend isn't online.
Wait, you said Doug? Doug?
Oh, hey, bro.
Yeah, you're watching. No!
This is what Doug and like you be like, bro.
B-U-T-T-O-N-S. Buttons. B-U-T-T-O-N-S. Again. What the hell?
It's multi. Take away the fly. Take away the fly. Okay, it's multi what? 666. Okay, press enter. Okay.
What's up? Hi guys. Is everyone leaving? Is it because I'm a meanie? We are Charlie Kirk. We are Charlie Kirk. We stand. Monkey. Yeah.
Purple, Daddy, come here.
Yes.
Daddy.
Where are you? Daddy, come here.
I'm kidding. That's my fart language. I'm using fart language.
Guys, they're hacking, bro. They're hacking.
So if you like do this and all that, if you use fart language, I can communicate.
What?
So if you go like, I can communicate.
Holy hackers, I swear.
I just said it. You all built like lions. I just said in fart language. I said you all built like lions.
Come back.
Yeah, I'm out of this server, bro.
No, please don't leave, Daddy.
Hey, yo. Alright. I'm gonna go in a competitive lobby. So there could be a lot of toxic people. Let's go.
Bro, why did you jump?
Let's go.
Oh, I'm leaving this code, bro. There's not much people.
I'm out.
Bro, this is not a competitive. How is it black?
Bro, there's like a log on it, bro.
This trash is giving me a Not really.
Oh, wow.
No.
Pretty much, I didn't see no toxic people. Make sure to subscribe.